back to DFOURFIX YouTube channel. Today what we got black color 2007 Toyota Camry LE 2.4 liter. On this engine, what we're gonna do, replace a valve cover gasket. I got two videos for the valve cover gasket replacement on 2007 Toyota Camry and the same vehicle. And today what we're gonna do is, see, it's a lot of linkage weight right here, so we're gonna go ahead and replace a valve cover gasket. And before I go over there, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. Yesterday I replacing a this car got an accident on this side over here. Somebody hit it. I replaced a new strut and CV axle, sway bar link, tie rod end, and outer tie rod. It's not inner one, okay? Inner tie rod, outer tie rod, only outer tie rod I was replacing yesterday, and the whole assembly, the hub and the bearing inside, and the oven is right here. It is I was replacing yesterday this one, ball joint, and the whole assembly, the hub, bearing, and CV axle, strut right here, sock. See, it's pretty bad, right? Very bad. So, and sway bar link is this one, and the other one is tie rod, should be here, tie rod. And this one, tie rod, I was replacing yesterday, and so I didn't make a video for that, so I have no time yesterday to make a video. Now I'm gonna make a video for you guys how to replace a valve cover gasket 2007 Toyota Camry LE 2.4 liter. It's gonna be 4-cylinder, okay? It's a valve cover set, okay? Open and see inside, okay? Look like this, okay? We're gonna replace it today. See over here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off the cover on the top right here, and we're gonna clean up the engine a little bit, okay? I got my engine cleaner. It's gonna be 10mm bolt right here and 10mm bolt right here, okay? Okay, now we're gonna clean up the engine a little bit right here. This one is gonna be foaming, okay? To do this job, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off all the spark plug bolt, queen bolt right here, and 1 liter hose right here, and 1 liter hose right here, and what else? The wire line right here was connected over here. It's gonna be 10mm bolt, and for the alternator, it's gonna be 10mm bolt as well, okay? And so we're gonna go ahead and remove that. I'm gonna remove the spark plug bolt. See, they break it very easy, this one. Oh my goodness, break it everything, huh? This one too, see, need a new one. They need a new one. This one, that's crazy. Okay, doesn't matter. Now I'll take it off this one first, okay? Remember the bolt, the short one, okay? Okay, and I'm gonna take it off this one too. To do this job, and the little clip right here, and a clip right here. Okay, and here we go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off this popular bolt right here. 10mm bolt holding right here. So we're gonna go here and get it off. Everything out, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie up little cover right here, okay, and we use the flat screwdriver. This pipe we have to replace the new one, okay? See, break it. So I have to replace the new one. I don't know where we can find it. Okay, now it's a little nice and clean. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean it out a little bit. Clean it up with the brake cleaner. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the silicone, the corner right here, right here. So before we go over, before we put in silicone, we're gonna clean it up a little bit again. Now, time to put it back on this one. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and check the spark plugs. Plus, it was gone already, so you need to replace the new one. Cylinder number 1, cylinder number 2, and cylinder number 3, number 4. We're gonna check it out, okay? We're gonna replace a new spark plugs. New spark plugs here, okay? Spark plugs. We're gonna add a little grease here. It's very easy to replace the spark plugs on 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder or V8, whatever. It's a simple job, okay? You gotta have your special tool, and this wrenches, they got a magnet inside right here, the way that you can hold your spark plug. It won't drop it up. If you not use the special tool, you gotta catch with the magnet, this one, because they touch it. See that? Yeah. Now everything said and done. Okay, this is how you replace a valve cover gasket and spark plugs on 2007 Toyota Camry. Here's my friend Datu. I'm replacing for his vehicle 2007 Toyota Camry. Okay guys, this is DFOURFIX. If you guys have any question, please leave me a comment down section below. I would like to answer you guys' question. And if you guys new to my YouTube channel, please make sure go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Peace.